exercise, mountain climbers. So sink down into that squat, row your arms forward. This is an explosive movement to absorb some of the shock. Really sink down into the squat when you land. Run it right back, 10 seconds to go. You're doing really well. Keep going, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, the next exercise is skiing. So we're going from side to side, remember? You want to sink down nice and low. Ready? Let's go. So the point for this exercise is to stay down nice and low. Really engaging, whoops, the inner and outer thigh. Using your ab muscles, so tightening up through the abs. Got less than 10 seconds to go. Doing well. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, next exercise is into squat hops. So down into a sumo and jump up. Okay, let's go. So big wide sumo.